Hello everyone, welcome to this video. You're watching Hayden and this is Ecom TV, new name there. In this video I want to talk about how to set up a limited company and business bank account in the easiest possible way. Now before I did this video I did some research on the old YouTube, and I actually found that there was some good videos, but they're outdated. It's unnecessary now. So I'm going to introduce to you the sponsor of this video, but just because they're the sponsor doesn't mean they're not amazing value, right? The reason I'm doing this video is because it is actually a much easier way to do it, and that is by literally clicking my link below, the awesome link, and it is £12, the sponsor of this video, okay? It's £12, and they set up a professional Amazon limited company for you, and the business bank account is literally so much easier than fiddling around doing it yourself. I've had loads of limited companies in the past. Not ashamed to admit it. Some of them worked, some of them didn't work, but now obviously we've had this current one for a long time now, a fair few years. I did it the hard way. I spent ages and ages, sort of rummaging through the HMRC website, following these videos, trying to figure it out myself. Now, and then I used to go into the bank and set up the business account and stuff like that. So outdated, guys, so outdated. All you need to do is visit the Awesome app, visit Awesome, costs you £12 there, set up the limited company in the way that it should be formed for Amazon sellers, and also they will set up the business bank account. It's as easy as that. There's not really anything else to say. They do it all for you. You'll click the link below and they will put all the, you put all your information in that you need, and they'll set it all up for you, and they will form it, and there's no catches. So yeah, that's why I'm really grateful that they sponsored this video. They sponsor this YouTube channel on a regular basis, because they're streamlining the process of setting up Amazon, and also I use them as my regular accountants on Amazon moving forwards, and have done for years. So yeah, that's how you set up a limited company for Amazon and a business bank account in the easiest possible way. That is the easiest possible, most streamlined way that I know in 2023. There's no point faffing around anymore, watching these YouTube videos to set it all up yourself. It's totally unnecessary. So I could have done a video where I go on HMRC and set it all up manually, or I could just show you it's 12 quid to set it up on Awesome, which is actually cheaper than what you'll pay, all the same price. I can't remember. I haven't done it for so many years. To set it up yourself. So yeah, I hope that video's helped, and that's how we set up a limited company these days. Easy, streamlined. See you in the next video.